Hey creative, in this video we're gonna learn how to create a YouTube banner in Canva that looks perfect on all devices, whether it's a phone, tablet, laptop or even TV. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva and type YouTube banner in the search bar. You will see a lot of design templates. You can choose any style you like, but for this tutorial I'm going with aesthetic YouTube banner. Now here is your blank canvas, your creative playground. Before we start designing, let's add some guidelines. This helps make sure your banner looks good on every device. But first, make sure your ruler is turned on. You can do that by pressing Shift plus R on your keyboard. Dimension for the first vertical line is 497 and for the second line is 2058. Dimension for the first horizontal line is 505 and for the second line is 925. So this is the final outlook of the region we're gonna work on. Let's break down what these regions mean. This smaller rectangle in the center is visible on mobile devices. This long rectangular region is for laptops and desktops. And this entire area is visible on TV screens. Alright, now that our guidelines are set, let's start designing. First, I'm gonna change the background color to something soft and aesthetic. You can go with any color that matches your brand vibe. To do that, just click on the background color option, then choose a color from the top toolbar. I'm going with a light brown, which will be warm and grounding. So always place your most important elements like your channel name, tagline or logo within R3. That way they will show up properly no matter what device someone is using. Next, let's add some text. Hit T on your keyboard for a quick text box or go to the text tab on the left. I'll type in the channel name and place it right in the center of region 3. Remember, that's the area visible on all devices. Now it's time to choose our favorite font. I'm gonna search for my favorite font. This looks perfect. I'm enhancing the text with effects to create a subtle lifted feel. It adds a nice touch of depth. To add a photo, I'm gonna add a frame which you can find in the Elements panel. I'm searching for a frame that looks like a Polaroid. Now take few duplicates and place them next to it in a way you like and add in other photos. I'm adding a saved photo and you can use yours too. You can upload your image, video or audio in the upload section. Okay, it's time to add in a tagline or something like a statement if you don't have a tagline. Choose a font for this text and ensure it is different from the head text font and look good with each other. To make my background a little attractive, I'm gonna replace the plain background with one of my photos and adjust its transparency. Looks cool, right? Now I'm gonna add my social media logos. This is the way of telling your audience that they can contact you in any of the ways mentioned. You can add your account's name along with the logo if you want to, but I'm using only my logos. I'm placing them in vertical order so that it does not affect any of the other elements. Okay, we are almost at the end. This is the place where we can add a call to action element here. You can use anything like subscribe, join the fam, something like that. I'm using subscribe text with the bell icon here. Adding a graphic element like an arrow make it look captivating and also encourages the audience to take action. And yeah, that's it. We have a simple and aesthetic YouTube banner that exhibits you and what your channel is about. Now it's your time to create for your channel. If you want me to create one, you can contact me. Hope the tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Bye.